Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about the Maverick Learning Center, which is called MLC. I think the name itself is a giveaway. The Maverick Learning Center is for those students who really want to learn differently and learn seriously about their interests. So even Fountainhead is a progressive school, but within Fountainhead also we've started this program called the MLC 2 years back. So this is the second academic year running. And the idea of the program is that students will be able to choose projects from about 5 to 6 baskets and build their skills by doing projects. And these baskets include maths and language, but also humanities, sciences, design, technology, language arts and leadership. And the idea of these projects is that instead of looking at things at a little bit of a surface level, they go really in depth and they actually do things. So our belief about the MLC program is that students will learn the best by doing things and gaining skills which will help them in both their academics and their career ahead.
MLC is a space where students learn by doing. It is a way, instead of a one-size-fits-all curriculum, it is a very student-centric approach. With student at the center of the education system, we try to understand and evaluate the need and passion of each student, and we help them, support them, design their projects around their passion to help them achieve their goals. For example, we have a student who is really passionate about economics and finance. He is currently taking grade 11 and 12 economics classes while writing a research paper on markets after COVID. We have another student who is in grade 8 who is really interested in astronomy. He has taken up a lot of small projects in astronomy last year, which enabled him to score a rank of 22 in All India Astronomy Test.
Students have taken up various projects, from designing their own website to filmmaking to publishing their own book and creating automated trading system to being change makers, and the list goes on. Because of such range of diverse projects, students learn much more beyond the surface level. Outcomes of these projects focus on understanding real world problems and applying the skills and knowledge to find out their solutions.
Faculty projects at MLC are specially designed for the students who need extra support and guidance. It is more structured, but at the same time it is designed in such a way that students' independence in learning is still maintained. Each facilitator takes up a subject he or she specializes in. Each faculty project focuses on providing a structure and basic guidelines to students on how to design project, build foundational skills, and at the same time have a project which has real world outcome. Skills focused in MLC are applicable both in professional and personal lives. These skills include basic skills like critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, teamwork, collaboration, communication, scientific thinking, and whatnot. Each skill is based by the projects that students take up in the MLC curriculum, and these skills are tracked by using Skill Builder framework and also by the outcomes that student projects have.
We live in the 21st century where we are aware that 21st century skills are at the core of every learning that happens today. But at the same time, at MLC we focus on building character traits in these students at MLC. So every semester in MLC there is a list of top 6 character traits that are voted upon by students, and then those become the traits that students are going to focus upon in the upcoming term at MLC. There are traits like integrity, there are traits like proactivity, empathy, determination, etc., which are again quite fundamental to their learning and for them to become a better person in their life. Based on the same, students strive toward building these character traits through multiple actions via their projects, their events, their significant explorations, and much more that they do at MLC.
We believe maths and language are core skills which support students to pursue their other interests and passion. Math is taught in a very focused manner using MYP framework. While we ensure the grade level concepts are being covered thoroughly, students don't restrict themselves to the grade level concept only. Some of the students take higher grade curriculum and learn that with the help of mentors. Our students have performed as par with MYP students. 2 of our students have just won the grade-wise math trivia competition.
Language sessions border on developing the core skills of listening, speaking, reading and writing. The students have written horror stories, they have written persuasive essays. We also had a Socratic seminar on feminism, and finally we also had a language fest for the earlier term. Apart from these, whatever assignments or whatever we do, those are all related to the practical real world solutions where language is looked upon as something where we better our communication, where we learn how to read and write, where we learn how to speak in an effective manner. And yeah, that's it. For language, whatever we do, that's totally dependent on developing the real world skills.
Exams at MLC are optional. We believe that to be able to succeed in real life, it takes a lot more than just being able to write on a piece of paper. Then, in MLC, students are evaluated based on their core competencies and concepts that they learn through projects. While digging deeper and being an expert at the core subject of their project, students also learn a lot of skills like adapting to failure or taking initiative or leadership that are really required in real life. Fountainhead School has received an MSA accreditation this year, which is going to now enable our students to get a grade 12 equivalent mark sheet by doing projects and internships. While this COVID year brought a lot of challenges, it was equally rewarding. We started the year taking COVID as our core humanities project, where we explored the impact of COVID on humans and economy, various government norms, and compared different countries' responses. Data analysis, statistics, and making sense out of news was the main target. Design and tech and science projects were done by sending kits to home. Students stumbled to projects like science behind cooking, science behind medicines. While these simple topics, when you dig in deeper into the science, they become really challenging. Students, we did a lot of workshops from cooking to machine learning to artificial intelligence to a workshop in astronomy to a workshop in game development. A lot of them were led by experts, while some of them were led by students. Now, when the city has opened up, but the school is still working on an online mode, a lot of our students have resorted to working or taking internships in variety of firms of their interest.
Our first year experience was great, and we were able to make some changes to make it suitable for students going forward. We were a little skeptical about how this would work in the COVID year, in the pandemic year, but it worked out really well. We have had students working in projects on astronomy, on eco-systems, environment, on drumming, music, language arts, on technology, and of course math, science and all the other regular projects that they're doing. So we're seeing a lot of interest in students in doing their projects. We're seeing taking their responsibilities seriously, and we hope that you would also like to be a part of this program. It is a selective process. We don't believe that this program is for every student. This is especially for those students, one, who can take charge of themselves, and although our facilitators will be there to guide and help you out. And secondly, it's for those students who have some interest or passion already that they have been working on, because you would need to show that when you're applying for this program. And at the same time, if you want to develop further interest, this is a great place for you.